This is the ah sound. Keep watching to find out how it's pronounced in British English. Hi everybody and welcome back to Lean English. I'm Ed and I'm here to help you achieve your pronunciation goals. Before we start, remember to like this video if you find it useful and subscribe for more British English pronunciation lessons in the future. Now, let's look at the ah sound in a bit more detail. Do you remember the eh sound which we looked at a couple of weeks ago? The ah sound is produced in a similar way. So first produce the eh sound. Now, do it again, but this time open your mouth completely as you continue to smile. Ah, ah. Well done, you just produced the ah sound. This sound is produced with the mouth open and the lips smiling, and when we do this, it pulls the tongue forward. This gives the sound its technical name, the near open, front, unrounded vowel. However, this name and symbol are a bit out of date because this sound is generally produced with the mouth more open in modern pronunciation. Obviously, in real conversation, we don't produce the eh sound first, but you can use this trick to find the correct mouth position. So try and remember the mouth position and produce the sound again. Ah, ah. Now, look at these words. Can you identify the ah sound? Listen and see if you can hear it. Back, pass, meringue, take, angry, cool, timbre, plan. The ah sound is almost always spelt with the letter A, but remember that the letter A can produce other sounds in other words. The ah sound can also be spelt with the letter I in words such as meringue and timbre, but this is rare. The ah sound may be confused with the sound in minimal pairs such as began, begun, drank, drunk, ran, run, sang, sung, swam, swum. What do you notice about these pairs of words? Some irregular verbs contain the ah sound in the past tense, but the sound in the past participle. So remember to keep the tongue forward when you produce the ah sound to avoid confusing it with the sound in these minimal pairs. Now, let's practice. Listen and repeat after me. The match began badly. The cat attacked the man. My snack lacks meringue. The staff thanked the manager. The runner ran to Amsterdam. Where the ah sound exists in function words, it's often replaced with the schwa sound, in connected speech. For example, and, fish and chips, have, I should have called, than, he's taller than me. This is known as the weak form, and it helps us to stress sentences correctly. I recommend you watch my previous video on the schwa sound for more information about this. Well, that's the end of the lesson, but can you think of any more words that contain the ah sound? let me know in the comments below, and remember to like and subscribe for more videos in the future. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.